Hello YouTube. It's springtime, and what that means it's time for us to bring out the electric bike. And what we're gonna be doing today is airing up the tires. Now what we have here is the Ancheer Folding Mountain Bike. It's an electric bike with a battery that we have in this pouch. So it's a lot of questions people ask about what pressure should we run on an electric bike. One thing we have to remember first is that with this electric motor in here, this bike puts out a lot of torque, so your pressure has to be up, otherwise what's gonna happen is the rim will move and then the tire won't, the bead won't have very good contact with the rim, and then you have the tube slipping, and then your valve stem, twisting like that, and finally you might end up bursting your tube. So contrary to an ordinary bike, to a regular bike, these ones actually take quite a bit of pressure. If you look at the tire, it has right there, it shows the direction of rotation. Next, it has the pressures that they recommend. So if you see, it says the pressure 40 to 65 PSI. That's what we need to put in this tire, and this is a 26 size wheel. So to start the process, we take off the valve cover, the valve cap, and we're gonna start by measuring the pressure to see how much we have in there right now. Okay, we got that off. Barely 15 psi, that's too low. So we're gonna bring it up to about maybe 50 psi. The other thing you have to remember is if your pressure is too low, you might not be getting the rated mileage for your electric bike. So to maximize your range, make sure you are running the right pressure. We've got that on secure. Right now we're showing we have barely registering anything. There, that's a happy medium. So we're running 50 psi right now, and the tire is rated up to 65, so we should be safe. We're losing some. Okay, let's go ahead again and measure, see what we got. Something is not right. Fair enough, that's good for me. Repeat the same process for the front tire. Well, let's start by checking, see what we have in there. Very low, it's not registering anything. Sorry about that. I'm trying to do this with one hand while filming. Okay. Go ahead and take these out. Yeah, we lost a little bit there. And check the pressure. Much better. Here we're having about 50 PSI. So that's good. The rear is showing a little bit less. I think I'll bump it up and then see where we're at. Just add a little bit more. Yeah, it needs a little bit more. And hope I don't have a leak somewhere, so be more careful this time taking it off so I don't lose as much. Go there fast. Perfect. Look at the cap. Put it on. Get this out of the way and then go for a little ride. So yeah, don't be shy when you have your electric bike. They run much higher pressures, so go ahead and crank it up. And for this one you can run between 40 and 65. I'm running the 50s. That's the throttle. Give it some little bit of throttle. Whoa. Thanks for watching.